Hi, I'm Cell 1,
And I'm Cell 2.
and
We're two friends fighting about a party.
at the end, we'll learn a lot about mitosis, and we'll also learn if friendship is enough to keep them together.
Cell theater. Mitosis.
I'm sorry, I just forgot.
How could you not invite me to your cell division party?
I didn't think you'd be allowed to come. You haven't even gone through interface yet.
I love division parties. I feel like such an outcast now.
You know what? Maybe we should just split then.
What do we have to do to go through that? I would have known if I went to the party.
Fine then, I'll tell you the stages of mitosis, since you weren't cool enough for that party.
I think I know the first stage. Prophase, right?
No, that's what many people think. Interphase actually comes first, so the cell can be ready to split.
Fine, trying to act all smart, Emily. So what's interphase?
Interphase consists of 3 steps to prepare the cell for cell division. The first phase is G1, where the cell matures into the size of the original cell. Next is the S phase, where the cell DNA is copied. Finally, the G2 stage is where the cell prepares for mitosis.
And next is prophase?
Yeah, next is prophase. Prophase is...
I know what prophase is. Let me talk. Prophase is a step where the DNA coils up into rod-shaped chromosomes.
Almost right. The centrosomes separate and spindle fibers radiate out of them to prepare for metaphase.
I was getting to that. If you think you're so smart, what's the next step?
Fine then, I'll tell you what the next step is. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell. They're held in place by kinetochore fibers.
Oh yeah, don't the kinetochore fibers move them to the middle in the first place?
Yes, they do. Since it's obvious that I know what I'm talking about, why don't you explain the next phase?
Well, I know that the chromatids separate at their centromeres, and then I think they move to opposite sides of the cell. It's called alophase or something?
Actually, it's called anaphase, but nice try. At least you explained it right.
Oh, and the next stage is telophase?
Yep, but do you know what happens during telophase, or should I explain that too?
Psh, I know what it is, but I like to hear you explain it anyway.
Of course. Because of anaphase, the chromatids are opposite sides of the cell. Remember?
Yeah, of course. And now the spindles assemble.
Wow, I didn't think you'd know anything. Next, the chromosomes are back into less tightly coiled shapes, and a nuclear envelope surrounds each of the cells, while a nucleolus forms in the new cells as well.
That wraps up mitosis. Well, are we ready to split completely?
No, not yet. We still have cytokinesis to go through. You missed so much at the party yesterday.
No need to rub it in my face.
Anyways, cytokinesis is when the cytoplasm divides. A cleavage foil forms where the cell is going to divide. Microfilaments push the dividing cell into 2 new cells.
Wait, but I thought a cell plate formed.
No. That's only in plant cells or an animal cell. Duh.
Okay, geesh. Wait a second, who's going to be the better cell when we split?
No one. We're going to be the same size with the same copy of chromosomes, and we'll both get half of the organelles and half the cytoplasm.
And then we'll mature back to our regular size in interphase, right?
You know, we're not being very mature right now. We're supposed to be friends.
You're right. I'm sick of fighting. Let's make up. This is stupid.
Oh, it's good to be friends again. This is the perfect time for our song.
Perfect. We're true cells. We'll stick till the end. We'll never divide, put fighting aside. Keep meiosis alive, spreading the vibe. Till it's time to divide. We're true cells. Yeah, we're true cells. Aw, Emily.